I'm assuming you're watching this because you want to know if these chair covers are any good, are they a pain in the neck to install, will they last, all those kind of things, and we're going to answer those things for you today. First of all, I will tell you right here sitting next to me, they are spandex. They look great. They are Christmas, right? Obviously Christmas colors, it's that season. And I think what I should do now is let's install one so you can see, because I've gotten these in the past and they were very difficult to install, and I've gotten some that were super simple. So let me show you these. Okay, so here's the technique. They are spandex. It's a lot like putting on a pillowcase, right? So we're gonna grab this, pull it a little bit. So we've got the opening here. I've got the corners here. I know where the corners are, so I can match them up to the corner of the chair right there like that. Simply slide it down. Slide this over the bottom. Tuck it all in, make it, you know, nice and even. And that is it. They are a universal size. As I said, they are spandex. They are green. They got Christmas trees. I know I saw a deer on one of them. Yeah, they got deer, Merry Christmas, decorations. They're really very cool looking. And you just saw this in real time. It took like 2 minutes tops. I don't even think it took 2 minutes to put it on. I think they look great. I think they're going to last a good long time. I think overall I have to give these a 5 out of 5 for the balance of ease of use, ease to put them on. I'm sure they will be easy to take off and put them away again for next year. There's no, like, I've had some where they were like straps and stuff and it was a giant pain in the butt. These were really nicely designed. In any case, hope this was helpful. Enjoy the season and we'll see you next time.